Hey friends, if you wish to fix sound delays, lags, and audio latency in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane. Now you'll find the output here. Click on it. Scroll down, there's something called as audio enhancement, switch it off. The next thing that you need to do is go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last one will be to update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the audio output and then update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.